Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto with pine nuts. First, gather your fresh ingredients. 2 cups of basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Ensure everything is fresh for the best flavor, as quality ingredients make a significant difference in the final taste. Next, combine your basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, and a pinch of salt in a food processor. Pulse these ingredients several times until they form a coarse paste. It's important not to overprocess at this point. You want a textured base before adding the remaining ingredients. Scrape down the sides of the processor bowl as needed to ensure even blending. Now, add your grated Parmesan cheese to the mixture in the food processor. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until the pesto reaches a smooth and creamy consistency. You can adjust the amount of olive oil slightly to achieve your preferred thickness. Taste and add more salt or pepper if desired. Once your pesto is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. To keep it fresh and prevent browning, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface before sealing. You can refrigerate homemade pesto for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in small portions, like ice cube trays, for up to 6 months. Enjoy your delicious homemade pesto with pasta, sandwiches, or as a dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.